In this video, I will show you step by step how we made $7,210 in commission just by promoting affiliate links on Facebook, and they made this commission just in one single month, okay? In the month of May, from the first day of May until the day 31 of May, I made $7,210. In today's video, guys, I will share with you which affiliate links I'm promoting on Facebook. I will share with you how you can find people who will be interested to buy those services or products from your affiliate link, how we can use free traffic, and so much more. Okay, so make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't miss this new methods that I will share with you. And let's get started. So this is my affiliate account dashboard. It's not screenshot, so you can click over here. You have dashboard, marketing tools, you have reports, payments. I can scroll down as you can see. So anyway, so just you guys can make sure. So what you will do to start making money with affiliate marketing, step number one, go to Google, search for Fiverr. Okay, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. It's super easy. Okay, so all you have to do is you just need to come to this page and scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliate. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website, as you can see, and you can check this website. You can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate. They are really paying good commission. So to join Fiverr affiliate, just click over here on join now, and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. So just put your first name, your last name, email address, username, password, and account type. Make it private. Scroll down, you have main source of traffic. You can say yes or no, and choose your language and choose your country. Okay, so first you need to choose your country, then you need to choose your language. Okay, if you have Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next, and that's it. The sign up process is super easy and simple. It's gonna take just a few minutes. After you finish, this will be your Fiverr affiliate account dashboard. Okay, so this will be your Fiverr affiliate account dashboard. So what you will do next is you need to choose good services and profitable services that you should start promoting on Facebook to earn commission. And I will share with you guys one of my new profitable affiliate links that I'm promoting on Facebook to earn commission. All you have to do is you need to go back to your home page on Fiverr like this, click on the search for video editing. Okay, search for video editing like this. I want you to pay attention in this step. Scroll down. Always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, top rated sellers, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link, they find those sellers are good sellers, they have good reviews, they will buy this service from your affiliate link, and you will earn commission. Okay, so let's choose for example one of those sellers like this one. This one is top rated seller, almost 5-star, a lot of reviews. I will click on his service like this. You will be directly in his Fiverr profile page, and as you can see, this seller has 7 orders in queue, a lot of reviews. That's really good, top rated seller. So what you will do, you just need to copy this seller profile link, copy his profile link, and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account like this. Click over here. Okay, and you have dashboard, you have marketing tools, reports, payments. Click on marketing tools and click on default and dip links. Okay, you will be directly in this page. Click on dip link and put this seller profile link here and click on save, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. All you have to do now is you need to promote this affiliate link on Facebook. Let's go to Facebook. It's super easy, guys. Okay, so let me show you. You just need to scroll down. So just go back to your Facebook homepage like this. Okay, go back to your Facebook homepage. Click over here on the search. search for video editor, okay, or video editing. Let me show you. Okay, search for video editing, for example. Scroll down. Okay, you have here filters. Scroll down, click on groups. We need Facebook groups. Okay, and here you go. You will find a lot of Facebook groups that you need to join. So make sure to join all those groups about video editing. So let's take, for example, this first group. I will click on this group to see, and you will be directly in this group. If you scroll down, here you go. Need a long video editor. This person is searching for video editor. Okay, so what you will do, you will click on this name of this person, and you will click on message. This person is searching for video editor. Okay, and this person on Fiverr is a video editor, professional video editor. So this person will help this person who is searching for video editor to edit maybe his videos, about any videos. So what you will do, you just need to send a professional and friendly message with your affiliate link to this person. So how we can do it? So to create a professional and friendly message, we will use AI, okay? We will use ChatGPT. So go to Google and search for ChatGPT, okay? Like this. Click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one. So just click over here on message, and you can copy my message if you want to, or you can use your own message. That's all fine. And you can ask him, create a friendly and professional message that I can send to people on Facebook groups to buy YouTube video editing service from my Fiverr affiliate link. And here you go. ChatGPT will create an amazing and professional message, okay, about video editing service. So all you have to do is you need to copy this message, okay, like this. Go to Facebook and send this message to this person with your affiliate link, and that's it. You need to put your affiliate link here, okay? So let me show you. So you need to put your affiliate link here. So just go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. So for you guys, if you just created your Fiverr affiliate account, you can't see this option, Fiverr CPA old plan. Because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate account. I have been doing this business for almost like 5 years now, and I still have this option. But with this new update, you should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. So just copy your affiliate link from here. And you need to make this affiliate link short. It's not important, but I like to make it short. You can go to Google and you can search for this website if you want to make your affiliate link short link. You just need to put your affiliate link here and click on shorten. And your affiliate link will be short link like this. Then you can copy your affiliate link from here, go to Facebook, and you can put your affiliate link here. And that's it. After you finish, click on send, okay? And you will send this message to this person who is searching for video editor, okay? And that's it. So if this person is still searching for video editor, he will check your message and he will see your affiliate link here. So if he click on your affiliate link, as you can see, if you are interested in checking it out, here is a link to some top rated YouTube video editors on Fiverr. I will click on his link, for example. If he click on your affiliate link, for example, like this, he will be directly in this seller profile page. Click on continue, buy this service from your affiliate link, and you will earn commission. And that's it. It's super easy. I show you people who are searching for those services, and I show you how you can find sellers who provide those services. So all you have to do is like connecting sellers with buyers, and you will earn commission. Of course, it's not easy. Yes, you see that it's not easy, okay? It's simple, it's very simple, but it's not easy because you need to convince those people to buy those services from your affiliate link. You need to learn how you can market those services, how you can talk with your customers, okay? And if you can do it, if you can do that, you can make a lot of money, and you can find unlimited people here, unlimited customers, who are searching every single day for video editing services. If you scroll down, here is another person. I need professional video editor. I need video editors. Okay, let's scroll down. Let's see. Here is this person searching for logo designer. Okay. Hi, I need professional video editor to edit my business. This one is searching for video editor. I need video editor. Guys, you guys can find unlimited customers here. You just need to convince those people to buy those services from you. And that's it. You can make a lot of money with this method. No one has shared this method before on YouTube. You can go and check. Go check how you can promote. Go check other videos. Go check other YouTubers if they are sharing with you guys like those methods. Okay, for free. This is for free. And you don't need to invest any money in paid ads. There is no risk in this business. Okay, you can start with free traffic. You just need to invest your time and you need to learn how you can market those services, and that's it. Okay, and of course I want also to explain something, guys. This commission $7,210, it didn't come just from sending message on Facebook. Yes, I made a lot of commission from Facebook promoting my affiliate links, but I'm not using just Facebook because I'm using YouTube Short, Pinterest, Quora, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, Google, and so much more. Okay, and of course for free traffic. If you guys are interested, comment in this video affiliate marketing, like this video, and if a lot of people are really interested to make money with affiliate marketing, I can start, guys, share with you all those methods for free. So see you in my next videos.